into the market week over week, while many are going to contract in just over a week. It's Friday, April 21st, 2023. Happy Earth Day weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Homes available on the Maryland shore rose again this week to 1,019. 105 homes are coming soon, up again this week. 86 homes came on the market since my last report, rising from the prior week. 66 went under contract, falling again this week. 91 went to pending, an increase this week. 124 properties sold, rising to 11 days before contract, a slight decrease to 97.9% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Trap for $2,400,000. Available rentals rose to 64 homes for lease at $1,998 per month, leasing in 36 days, rising from the past week. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 21st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend and celebrate our planet by taking action to make a difference daily. Cheers.